Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's milanigold here. So first things first, if you have never seen my face before, you've never watched this channel, my name is milanigold and I make videos for women looking to look their best on the inside and on the outside. So on this channel, I'll be providing you guys with all the temporary, all the permanent solutions to your everyday body image issues and insecurities. That includes stretch marks, hyperpigmentation, and so much more on this channel. I get quite a few people asking me, why does my stretch marks itch? And I was like, you know what? I get this question so often that I think that it would really be a good video to make and to discuss. So let's get right into it, okay? So if you guys don't know, I already made videos, several videos on this channel, explaining to you guys what stretch marks are. You can get stretch marks when your skin changes, when you gain weight, when you lose weight, pregnancy, puberty. These are all the things that cause stretch marks. So I've already explained this in like so many videos. If you haven't watched my how to prevent stretch marks video or why do stretch marks appear video, you might need to check it out because I explain everything in that video. So before we talk about why your skin itches when you have stretch marks, we have to take a look at why stretch marks happen in the first place. When stretch marks appear, that means that the dermis in your skin has been torn, it's been compromised. As this happens, you start to see like red stretch marks. The reason why your stretch marks is itchy is because of the skin quality. So obviously like your skin becomes thinner and it has like less support. All of these affect the nerve and it makes them more sensitive and more prone to itching. So now that we've talked about why your skin itches when you start to develop stretch marks, I'm going to talk to you about how to take care of itchy skin. So some of the things that I recommend for itching skin is cocoa butter. I really recommend cocoa butter because it's very thick, it's very moisturizing, and it would help you with the itchiness. I also recommend coconut oil or vitamin E oil. These are things that would help to keep your skin moisturized and would help to stop the itchiness. And then the last thing that I would recommend if you're really itchy and none of these have worked, the last thing that I would recommend is an anti-itch cortisone cream. So I recommend this brand. It's called the Cortisone 10 Maximum Strength Cream. This would help you so much and it's really affordable. I think it's like $5. It's like $5 from Walgreens. A lot of times when you're suffering from like nerve damage and your nerves are starting to like wake back up, this is what doctors recommend for like extreme itch. I definitely recommend this if you have like itchy skin because of stretch marks as well. These are some of the things that I recommend to help you deal with the itchiness that comes from stretch marks. I've also made several videos on how to prevent stretch marks in the first place or what to do when stretch marks first appear. All of that is on a playlist on this channel. So if you want to check it out, make sure you check out the playlist. I'm going to put the playlist right here. I've also made videos on how to cover stretch marks or how to get rid of stretch marks, like the lotions, the creams, the solutions, all of that. I have everything on this playlist that I'm going to list right here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is everything for this topic on why my stretch marks or why your stretch marks itch and what to do. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, please hit that subscribe button on this channel. Like this video so I can do more topics like this for you guys. I want to say thank you guys so much for your love, comment, support, and feedback on my channel. I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success. And I'll see you in my next video.